How to redeem gift card code on Amazon. If you want to redeem gift card code on Amazon, follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to launch open the Amazon app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to click on the icon. Now, you want to tap on the three lines at the bottom of your screen. You will find a couple of options here. Tap on the one that says See All. Now you're not going to find any option of redeeming gift card code over here, so you have to scroll down a bit. As you can see, there are different categories. You want to tap on credit cards and payments. Here you will find the gift cards option, tap on that. Now scroll down a bit and you will find the option that says redeem Amazon gift cards, tap on that. Here, you can either scan your claim code or you can enter the claim code manually. You will find the claim code at the top of your gift card. So go ahead and enter it. You do not have to enter the dashes. Once you enter the correct gift card code, simply tap on Apply to Your Balance option, and in this way you can redeem gift card code on Amazon. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.